Hey there, drone enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most buzzed about topics in the drone community, the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. With rumors flying faster than the drones themselves, we're here to break down everything you need to know about the Mini 5 Pro, its expected features, potential release date, and what it could mean for drone photography and videography enthusiasts like you. So, grab your controllers because this is going to be an exciting ride. The DJI Mini series has become a staple for drone enthusiasts around the globe. With its sub-250 grams weight, it offers unparalleled accessibility. No FAA license required in the US. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first flight or a pro seeking a compact option for stunning aerial shots, the Mini series strikes the perfect balance of affordability, performance, and portability. And with the Mini 5 Pro, DJI is expected to push the boundaries even further. Let's start with the biggest upgrades that might be coming our way. First up, let's talk about the camera. Rumors are swirling about a potential upgrade to a 1-inch sensor, a huge leap from the Mini 4 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor means sharper details, better dynamic range, and superior low-light performance, perfect for those sunrise or sunset landscape shots. While we might not see a jump in resolution, DJI is likely focusing on improved dynamic range and clarity, which could bring a cinematic touch to your aerial footage. Imagine capturing those epic wide-angle shots with professional-grade quality. AI tracking is another area where DJI could seriously level up. The Mini 5 Pro might come with enhanced active track capabilities, allowing it to follow fast-moving subjects like cars, cyclists, or even animals with pinpoint precision. This could make the Mini 5 a game-changer for action-oriented creators, delivering smoother, more reliable tracking for those thrilling moments. And let's not forget connectivity. With 5G compatibility, the Mini 5 Pro could offer ultra-smooth real-time video transmissions and improved control, even at long distances. This upgrade would be a dream for professionals who need seamless, high-resolution live feeds. Now, here's the tricky part. DJI has to pack all these upgrades into a drone that stays under the critical 250 grams weight limit. This lightweight design is a major selling point, keeping the Mini series accessible and easy to fly without licenses. But meeting this weight restriction could mean trade-offs. Larger sensors or bigger batteries could push the Mini 5 over the limit. DJI will have to get creative, possibly by using lighter materials or optimizing the software to deliver more performance without adding bulk. The Mini 4 Pro already boasts an impressive 40-minute flight time, and the Mini 5 is expected to match or even slightly improve on this. DJI is likely to focus on efficiency to maintain or enhance battery life while staying under the weight cap. All right, let's talk about when you can actually get your hands on this beauty. DJI tends to follow an annual release cycle, and since the Mini 4 Pro launched in late 2023, we could see the Mini 5 Pro as early as December 2024. Pricing is expected to be competitive, likely in the range of $899 to $999, aligning with the Mini 4 Pro's launch price while offering some serious upgrades. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about refining it. With potential upgrades like a larger sensor, smarter AI tracking, and 5G connectivity, this drone could set a new benchmark for compact, high-performance drones. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just getting started, the Mini 5 Pro promises to be a versatile and powerful addition to DJI's lineup. So what features are you most excited about? Do you think the Mini 5 Pro will live up to the hype? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates on the DJI Mini 5 Pro and all things drones.